think it's gonna happen. Oh my God. Whose idea was this? Holy shit.
With their nails done now.
Whoa, good. There it is. Don, what's up, buddy?
What's going on, young man?
What the hell are you doing out here?
Bitch, I've been out here.
What happened, buddy? Is that your boot over there? Whoa, shit. I got you, don't worry about that. I got you, cuz don't worry about that. Yes, sir.
He lost his key.
Right
That's
now?
why I
Just
pulled.
now? Right now you lost your key?
Back out, you know the water trails you like going through?
Yeah.
He flipped sideways. And his key fell out.
Oh, shit.
That's the only reason I'm towing him. And I started overheating, so I had to stop.
Oh, I see. I see something coming out, too. God.
I told you Swamp Ass was going to be out here.
Yeah,
But yeah, you didn't respond to my text.
Let me get Justin.